Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a tiny project titled Boat Steer. Boat Steer. It looks like the steering of a boat. So this is a very simple yet a very cute little motif. So let's go into the video immediately, friends. Chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring, and into the ring chain 1, and then into the ring place 10 single crochets. This pattern is completely with 10 single crochets only. So 10 single crochets. I shall place the 10 single crochets and get back. I have made 10 single crochets. Now into this single crochet we need to slip stitch, join and make a single crochet here. Instead I am going to place my first directly half double crochet. It will give the height of a single crochet along with other stitches. Now chain 4, so this is a stitch, skip 1 and single crochet in the next. So this is a stitch, chain 4, skip 1, single crochet in the next. So continue this stitch pattern and complete it. So chain 4 and slip stitch to the first stitch that we made. See, this stitch looks neater. And now place 5 single crochets in each of the chain spaces, and this is the last round. So because if you make single crochet the height will not be sufficient, let us make the first one as the half double and place a stitch marker. We need to come and slip stitch here, and then 4 singles in the first ring, and in every other chain space it is 5 single crochets. So 1 2 3 4, fifth one done. So let us make when you place these stitches, if you work yarn under, it works neater. Just 2 more to go and complete the boat steer. I've placed my last stitch now. Remove the stitch marker, remove the hook from this loop, and from behind the first stitch insert the hook and pull this behind from front to back, so you get a neater finish here. And secure it. Here we go, it's done. This is the boat wheel, boat steer rather, not boat wheel, it's a boat steer. It's a steering like figure, and this is this will be of great use when we make two-dimensional figures and so on. It will be of great help for amigurumis too. Okay, let us snip off. Hope you like this, the tiniest of tiny motif, both steer. If you happen to be the first time viewer of our channel, please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos to friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.